Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Lake Havasu City local and long-distance movers near me. If you're decided to move but are not sure how to plan it or begin the process, you are not alone. Most clients have long, restless hours about how to organize their relocation most efficiently. Many of them have even tried to accomplish it on their own or with the support of family members. However, they were unable to deal with the pressure. As a result, if you're one of these folks and reside in or want to relocate to Lake Havasu City, AZ, consider 3 Movers. This moving firm transcends any other you've heard of before. Our professionalism and quality of service are unmatched. The first step to a hassle-free move is to hire 3 Movers. Because the happiness of our customers is so essential to us, we only employ movers who are dependable, talented, devoted, and knowledgeable. While we recognize that our customers have varying needs, we categorize our services into 2 major categories. Anyone who has helped their friend or family member plan or pack during a relocation before will understand that the experience is usually unpleasant. You'll have a lot to think about and sort out right from the start. Even worse, there is no guarantee that the relocation plan would be executed as quickly as you had hoped it would be. With a trusted moving company like 3 Movers, you can be confident that your relocation will be completed without a hitch. It might be challenging to choose the best route to your new residence in a long-distance move. In the planning stages, 3 Movers takes this into account. Since most of our Lake Havasu City employees are locals, you can count on them to securely transport you and your properties to your new residence. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lake Havasu City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.